wanted to let you all know that you could use rice, but I have decided to use quinoa. And so I've already prepared this, and I used chicken broth to prepare it, and this will take the place of rice. So you can use white rice or brown rice, whichever rice you prefer, as a filler. So we'll be adding this into our mix a little later. Okay, so in the meantime and in between time, we're going to start working with our sauce next. Here we have some fresh bay leaves, and we have some fresh Italian parsley. So you all see where I'm going with this, is that you want to be able to just kind of make it as fine as possible. Now, over here to the side, I have my arugula and my spinach, and I don't want this to get too fine, so I chopped it up as much as I could. And I do have some seasonings that I would like to add to my tomato base. So with the tomato base, I have again my tomato sauce, and I have some fresh chopped or canned diced tomatoes. I have a little smoked paprika. I have a little Chef Paul Padone, the Meat Magic. And I have obey. And I do have a little nutmeg. Now I'll be adding this into my quinoa. Okay, and then the last thing is you're going to need your turkey, of course. So, but for right now, we're going to do these in steps. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go ahead and put this into my tomato base. And next I'm going to be adding my spinach and my arugula. Sometimes I look at my videos, I'm like, oh, I have too much on my fingers. Cooks are not always the best at trying to stay neat, because we're in here trying to make it happen. So as you can see, I am preparing this healthy, fresh medley of tomatoes, spinach, arugula, bay leaves, and parsley. We're going to go ahead and turn our eye back on to a medium, and I will be adding in my sauce. Now I don't want to add in all my sauce because I'm going to save some of this for the top. It smells really good in here. Alright, so we are getting a nice little simmer going on with our medley of vegetables. Alright guys, next we're going to transfer our medley of vegetables into our bowl. Next we're going to add in either your rice or your quinoa. It smells so delicious. Okay, I'm going to be adding in some mozzarella cheese and some Parmesan. I'm going to mix this in. Delicious. I'm not even going to need to put anything else in here, because when I start to make the turkey, I will add all my seasonings into that, and then we're going to blend everything together. But this is great, you guys. So we're going to start on our meat next. And you're going to put a little olive oil in your skillet. And then next you're going to add your turkey meat. We're going to add some chef's magic. We're going to add some Old Bay seasoning, a little smoked paprika, a little nutmeg, a little salt, and a little pepper. Now, if you want to kick it up a notch and add some hot pepper flakes, you can. If you want to add some Slap Your Mama or Tony Chachere's or whatever spices that you like to add, feel free to do that. Okay, I'm going to remove this from the heat. Then I'm going to bring my bowl back over, and then I'm going to add my turkey. Now, just for a little bit of hotness, I went ahead and added some pepper flakes. Again, optional depending on how you want your mix to taste, your filling. You don't want to work this again too much. You just kind of want to fold it in. You can see that cheese melting really good in there. Again, taste as you go. This helps you become a great cook when you taste your food. So I'm going to go in and I'm going to taste this and see how it tastes. Perfect. Alright, so next I'm going to get ready to stuff my peppers. Okay, so as you can see, this made quite a bit, so I'll be able to save some of this and freeze it. Got a little, I'm gonna just fill these up. Now I'm gonna layer this with some cheese, and I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of olive oil down in here, just a little. And then I'm also going to add some tomatoes in between. And then I'm going to add another layer of mixture. You just want to fill this up to the top. You want that flavor to really come through. They smell amazing. I feel like these are the vegetarian answer to lasagna without the noodles. Okay, next I'm going to go ahead and add some more cheese. And whatever your favorite cheese is can work, as long as it's fresh and it's shredded. Hey foodie babes, I am back and I will be pulling out my delicious stuffed peppers. Here we go. Oh, they look amazing. Alright foodie babes, so here you have it, my turkey stuffed bell peppers. Look at that. All kinds of goodness. This is a healthy one here. Right, here we go. I gotta have some cheese. Gotta have some cheese. Yeah, sorry guys, I gotta get some cheese on this one. You guys know that I like to try my food on camera, so here we go. Delicious. Give it a thumbs up. You guys are gonna love it.